We put used batteries into the recycling bin. Then, what do we do with used batteries from electrical vehicles? 5-minute battery story. Global concern about the environment has raised interest in EVs. The rapid increase of the EV market entails a rise in the volume of used batteries, a key part of EVs. EV batteries last from about 7 to 15 years. When calculated based on the volume of the currently discarded used batteries, about 100,000 used batteries are expected to be thrown away by 2026. The lithium in the batteries make them inappropriate for incineration or burial, unlike other wastes. Therefore, lithium-ion batteries need to be reused or recycled. However, their highly complex structure demands advanced technology to do so. This situation has motivated relevant companies around the world to find ways to create a closed loop of used batteries. LG Energy Solution, a leader in the global battery market for its part, is pursuing to reuse or recycle used batteries at its production plants. First, let's dig into how used batteries are reused. Lithium-ion batteries for EVs have to be replaced after a certain period. However, EV batteries can be reused as an energy storage system or for neighborhood electric vehicles, even after this certain period because they undergo rigorous quality checks before release and their energy density is high. These reused batteries get to have about 10 more years of life on average. LG Energy Solution has installed an EV charging system developed with used batteries from electric taxis that had run more than 100,000 kilometers at one of its South Korean plants. As such, a virtuous cycle in which used batteries from an EV charge another EV is created. Looks like we will come to see EV charging stations made with used batteries across the country quite soon. But what if batteries run out of life and it is impossible to even reuse them? Then they can be recycled. For this purpose, Ultium Cells, a joint venture between LG Energy Solution and General Motors, signed a deal with Li-Cycle, North America's largest lithium-ion battery recycling company, to recycle rare metals in used batteries. They plan to extract necessary materials from used batteries that are unable to be reused through a special method called hydrometallurgical process. Since this process emits 30% less greenhouse gas than traditional processes, its environmental impact is minimized. This method involves either smelting used batteries at a high temperature of about 1,400 degrees Celsius and recovering necessary metals, or pulverizing cells, removing impurities and extracting only necessary materials. Various raw materials collected this way are adopted for producing new batteries or industrial use. On average, 87 kilograms of nickel, 29 kilograms of cobalt, 91 kilograms of lithium carbonate are obtained from 1 ton of battery packs through this process. In total, 95% of raw materials, including graphite, copper, manganese, and aluminum, is recycled. In particular, recycling used batteries can offer a solution for securing stable supply of nickel and cobalt, for which demand is soaring while supply of the materials is limited. This process will not only provide environmental benefits, but also cut costs. LG Energy Solutions has led innovation in batteries continuously for about 30 years since the early 1990s. Having been devoted to battery research for decades, the company is also making persistent efforts to be a leader in reusing and recycling batteries. LG Energy Solution is fully charged to protect the environment and is taking action for a better future.